Hello dear students, today we will learn standard 5 subject art and craft. Let's start next drawing. Number 14, proportions of the head. Front view. This is the front view. Okay. Now the proportions of head. The proportions of head varies from person to person and change slightly with age. There are some basic principles you can follow to improve your drawing. Means here you can improve the drawing and how to draw front view. Okay, front side. Okay, if you view a head from the front, its width is approximately 2/3 of its height. Practice to drawing in the space given below from here. Okay, and opposite side is giving. Now if you side view, it is giving side view, here giving front view. Okay, so here if you view a head from the side, its width is approximately 7/8 of its height. Okay, that side 2 and 3 heights there, but here 7 to 8. Okay, 7 to 8. Practice to draw in the space given below from here. So first I can start from here. Now first you not understand, then what we'll do? First you write down here one box, this is of 2 and here 3. Okay, number you write down then. Here also write down 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then after start. In second, now see. In first part, draw from here. Okay. See. Okay, this part little bit outside is there, so here outside and second number also from half. Okay, half part, this part, so here I'll do from here this type. Okay, now after this and this part are same, this or this part. Okay, now afterwards see in second point, means this second point is over the ear. Okay, so here also you can draw. Okay, afterwards third number to join from here this type shape. Okay, in middle how to draw. Okay, and then after this part half. Okay, and then after join this. Okay, see now afterwards rub it. It is not come properly, then rub it and draw. Easily you have to draw. Okay, see like this type. Okay, so this is first, then after second side view. Okay, so side view how to draw. So first what I telling you, just this side write down number and this side also. Okay, so first I will write down from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here also I write down this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, now afterwards start from the here. Okay, second number to join, start from this and second to second. Okay, second part from half. Okay, then after third number, So third number upside is there. Upside to 5. Now see. So here, okay. So here I will start from this, okay, and 5 to 6 half is there, okay, this part, and then after the second line is this type part. Just you see the box only, okay. Now third number this type, okay. Fourth number this type. Fourth number half, okay, and fifth half to cut this line, okay, and then after join this 6 number, okay, like this type 6, okay. So here I can join this 4 number here, fifth half this part, and 6 to turn 7 number this shape. You have to see the shape size, okay, and then after you draw easily, understand. Now after nose is there, 6th line, okay. So nose this type drawing. So here turn, and then after 7 number last box, okay, 7 number last box is there. So here like this type do, okay, and then 8 number this, okay, and then 1 2 3 4 means 1 2 3 4 here cut will, and then after join this part, okay, and here. Now look this, okay. So this is of preparations of the head, okay. This is the first and this is of second. So dear students, you have to draw in your textbook, okay, 14 number and 15 number, okay, side view and front view, okay, and then after you have to first write down 1 2 3 numbers, because you cannot write them, you cannot understand how to draw, okay. So if you are drawing over, then after you have to draw, then after sending this pic in my WhatsApp number, okay. See, this is a 14 number and this is of 15 number, okay. So easily you can draw and write down numbers. Afterwards what can do, afterwards you erase these numbers, okay. Now drawing over, then after only this side erase this, okay. Okay, now see, okay. So same way here also, then after your drawing is over, then after you rub these numbers, okay. Now afterwards you draw, and after over, then sending this picture in my WhatsApp number, okay. Thank you.